that is this one. Now sketch, select this one, set it to sketch view. Okay, now you can design one line first. Now you can design one line. Again, length of the line equal to 30?
87.
87.
Yes, just
87. Next one, this height equal to how much?
10.
10. Again, this side
46.
46. Again, this side. Now just wait. Directly, now this length equal to how much?
47.
47. Then you can join these two endpoints. Okay. Then you can apply the extrude. How much value?
48.
48. 48. Now this one complete. Okay. Again I am going to prepare the hole here. Now which surface you can select? Which one? You can select. Now see here what happened. Now I am going to select this one. What happened?
Will get inclined.
Sketch. Now select this one. Now generally I am going to design one rectangle here. Okay. Again apply the extrude. What happened? The extrude taking normal to the sketching plane. Normal to the sketching plane. The hole taking in this pattern. For designing holes on taper faces. For designing holes on taper faces, we can select linear faces with respect to tapers. Just cancel this one. Now see here. Now we can select this one, or you can select this one. You can select any one of them. Now I am going to select the sketch. This one. Set it to sketch view. Again just activate the center reference and this reference. Now I am going to design one rectangle, small rectangle. What is the value? Dimension equal to 8. Dimension equal to 8. Now with respect to center location changes to 4. Then again you can design. Okay. Just again this one changes to 15. Then again you can design one more rectangle. Now see in this location. Okay. Now directly I am going to design in this location. Again you can change this distance changes to 0. Again this total equal to how much? Total equal to
28.
20. Total equal to 28. Okay. Again total equal to 28. That means with respect to this one is the 14. Select the normal option. This one to this one. Changes 14. Okay. Again you can apply the delete segment. Okay. Then you can this one changes to 15. Now is it okay? Then you can simply again what happened, openings will be formed here. Just wait. Just you can check the what happened. Overlapping geometry will be present here. Overlapping geometry will be present here. Again you can apply the delete segment. Just wait. Again check any overlapping geometry. No. Again you can join this two. Again one more one. Check the closed loop. Okay. Then okay. Then you can apply the extrude, reverse direction, set it to through, remove material. See here. Okay. This one okay. Now is the designing of the holes on taper faces. Next you can see which one? Next one. Next one. Now see here. Again you have one more doubt. Now if the two sides are taper, then how to design? Again new part. Now the sketch is in this format. Just see here. Now in this format. Okay. Just wait. You can design a symmetrical pattern. Again, you can design one more line. 250. 250. Again, change this one to 120. Okay. Then you can join the lines. This one. Again, select this one to this one. Just okay. Apply the extrude. Place the symmetrical extrude. Okay. Then you can specify the just okay. Then you can design holes on this one. Again, how to create? Again, I am going to create.
Plane.
Now you can select the
Plane.
which plane?
Right. Data plane budget.
Again, you can select the center one. Select this one, or otherwise you can create the datum plane. Again, my requirement is with respect to this edge. With respect to this edge, the hole equal to some 30. For that purpose, you can design the datum plane, or otherwise sketch. For through hole purpose, set to sketch view. Again, design in this format. Just apply the extrude. Place the symmetrical. Just through hole means completely outside. Remove material. Okay. That is the process. Then next design. Next one more example. One more one. Edge of them. Okay. Again, select the front. Sketch. Set it to sketch view. First, I am going to design 180 line. Again, how much? Length equal to 80. Changes to 40. Now again, next design one more line. This total equal to how much?
60.
Total is the 60.
30.
Again 60 means 30. Again height equal to
30.
30. Again you can join these two endpoints. Okay. This one to this one.
కొంచెం హైట్ వచ్చే
Height వచ్చింది. Delete this one. Again how much height?
హైట్ 10.
Height
15.
15. Again you can see the LL. Same. Then you can join this end point to this end point. Again you can change this one to this one. Again you can see the apply the extrude operation. Now I am going to place the symmetrical. How much value?
Extrude 60.
Extrude total is the
60.
60 66 60. Okay. Now this is the first design. Now again I am going to select this plane. Now I am going to select this one. See here.
హోల్ తో పర్చేస్
హోల్ ఓకే ఎడిట్ నేను చూడట్లేదుగా డిజైన్ నువ్వేగా చూస్తుంది ఓకే ఎడిట్ డెఫినేషన్ అది నువ్వు చెప్పాలి హోల్ కూడా చేయాలి ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం అగైన్ యూ కెన్ ఎడిట్ ద స్కెచ్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిజైన్ వన్ అగైన్ హౌ మచ్
40.
40
20.
that means half of the value 20 height equal to 20 again delete segment
delete normal
okay then one more time okay just apply okay then again next one now this one is okay then next one again select this plane this central plane now the design exactly present in the central location first of all now select this one sketch now you can see one more tool again you can see the project tool this project tool cannot present in the sketcher module now you can see what is the result of the project you can project the already existing edges you can project the already again my requirement is complete this edge for that purpose project select this one close projecting again I am going to design one more line okay again this length equal to how much 52 means 26 again height equal to height equal to 50. Okay, again 56, total is the 52, again height equal to 15. ఇది ఒకసారి
కానీ
again see here, again this is the 60. Okay, again this is the 52. నేను చేస్తాను. చెప్పు. Now again how to design that one? Sketch, just here. Set it to sketch view. Just activate the references. This one and this one. Now I am going to design. Just apply the project. This one. Now I am going to design one line in this direction. Again same thing in this direction. Okay. Now I am going to design one line. Now what is the height of this line? 15. Now I can change this one to 50. Then you can apply the delete segment. Again this is the 40. That is not 52. Change it. 40 value. Okay. Now this one okay. Okay na? Now sometimes ఈ dimension ఉండదు, directly value ఉంది. Now this is the procedure. First you can activate references, project this one, again design the lines. Okay, then again you can apply the extrude. How much? Place the symmetrical 42. Just okay. Okay na? Next one, again I am going to design one circle. The circle exactly present in the center location. Directly you can use the activate the reference of this one. Then you can design circle in this location. How much? 30 dia. Just okay. Again value
30.
Extrude to 30. Just okay. Now see first one. Again I am going to design next. First I am going to design this one. What is the rectangle sizes?
10, 30.
10. That is the 30 and height equal to 28. 30, 28. Length 30 and height equal to 28. Now I am going to select the sketch. See here, sketch. Now I am going to select this line. Just activate the sketch. Just activate the sketch. Or otherwise, again see here, while designing that rectangle, again you can place the material in this location. మనం డిజైన్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ మెటీరియల్ యాడ్ అయ్యింది ఇక్కడ. అగైన్ యూ కెన్ యాడ్ ద మెటీరియల్ హియర్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఆర్ అదర్వైజ్ అగైన్ హౌ టు డిజైన్ వితౌట్ క్యాన్సిల్. జస్ట్ క్యాన్సిల్, జస్ట్ వెయిట్. Select the surface, set it to sketch view. Now just activate the reference. Now I am going to design one rectangle. How much? 30, 15, 28. Okay, just okay. Again with respect to this edge, this side is the 10. Again this one mating with this surface. Extrude. I am going to use the, again one side is the 10. Okay, next one set it to do next. Complete. Okay. Okay, again no use of the datum planes. Directly this is the linear face, so you don't have linear face. Okay, at that time you can compulsory create the datum plane. Already this is the linear face. Then again select this one, mirror with respect to center. Okay. Now again I am going to create the holes here. How to design that holes? Now you can see the first procedure for that one. Sketch, select this one, sketch, set it to sketch view. Now I am going to design one in this format. Again how much? Now this one is enough. Any length. Now what is the height?
10.
Changes to 10. And positioning is
center.
exactly center location. That means now select the normal option with respect to this one is the 10 value.
10.
Okay, just okay. Then you can apply the extrude. Now see here, with respect to center location is the 50, but our requirement, the remove material condition from this point to this point is the 5. So total
40.
from this point to this one is the 35 plus 5. 35 plus 5, so total is the 40. Remove material. Now this is the one type of design. Again select same thing, mirror this one. Okay, now this is the one, or otherwise you can create the tangent planes. You can create the tangent datum planes. Okay, now see here, now this is the one method. Next again I am going to select the datum plane. Now see here, first I am going to select this one. Now I am going to specify the value 15, nothing but radius. Just okay, sketch, same thing. Okay, or otherwise directly you can create the tangent plane. Again this is the tangent plane. Now this is the tangent plane. But how to design this one? By using offset method. First select this one, then you can select this one. Now how to create the tangents? Plane. Now select this surface.
Out through.
Then set it to tangent. Then tangent with respect to this one. Okay, tangent, and again this tangent normal to this one. Just okay. That will just no offset. Again you can design any type of format. Okay, that is about the tangent. Again select this one. Again you can design same sketch. Okay, extrude, how much value? 5 value. 5 only. Remove material. Again same thing, mirror to this one. Okay, same thing, mirror to this one. Okay sir, same this one. Again select this one, again select this one, same thing,
With respect to same plane.
but different operation. This is the material adding condition, this is the material remove condition.
Mirror says
No problem. Okay, that is about the new. Okay, then next one, select the sketch, select this one, set it to sketch view. Okay, then you can design the first design one line. What is the length of the line?
75.
Now this length equal to 75. Next one, height equal to
40.
this one changes to 40. Next again this one, how much?
40.
This one also 40. Again bottom,
24.
this one is the 24. Then next,
Got the last
just connect in this format.
15.
Close this one.
Automatically 15.
Okay, just okay. Apply the extrude. Again how much extrude?
45.
Symmetrical extrude. Okay, again watch how much value?
45.
45. Now this one. Okay, again I am going to design one hole here. How to design that one? Simple one.
The plane.
Again select this one, you can design the triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, sketch, set it to sketch view. Just activate the reference of this one and this one. Again what is the length? What is this length?
28.
This is the 28. Again bottom up to this one.
Adi kuda reference.
Okay, this one. Select the line. Now this one how much? 20? 28. Again select this one up to this end point, join this two. Then apply the
Symmetrical
extrude, place the symmetrical, how much? 50.
15.
అక్కడ నోట్ చేస్తుంటా 50. Okay, just okay. That is about the 15. Okay. Now this one. Now ఇదే నేను చెప్పేది. Okay. Next one. Okay. Set it to sketch view. Okay. Then next one. Now first I am going to design this one. First I am going to design this one. Okay. First design this one. Now what is the height? 70. Okay. Again first design one rectangle 70 by 66. Next again one more one. Again what is the sizes? Nothing but this is the 13R. 13R means length equal to 26. 26 again height equal to
70.
Height equal to 70. Okay. Now see here. Now directly I am going to design one rectangle. Again change this one to 70.
66.
Total 70 first.
King of 66, height 70.
Okay. 66,
33.
33. Again this one changes to
70.
70. Okay. Then next one. Now again I am going to design one more one. Again design one more one in this format. Again how much? This one equal to 26. 26 means with respect to center location how much?
30.
Okay, no problem. Again select this one to changes to how much? 30. Then again I am going to design center and ends. Now center point, first end point. Now this is the next end point. Same thing, center, end point. Okay. Then next you can apply the first apply the okay. Again this one also. Again what happened here? Again in this region also. Again one more open hand. Okay. Again you can apply how much value? Extrude to
60.
now I am going to place the symmetrical 60. Okay. Now this one okay. Now see here again I am going to design one more shape here. Back side this one. First you can see this one. Okay. Now I am going to select sketch this one. Set it to sketch view. Okay. Now this is the proper design. Select the sketch. Now I am going to select this face. Okay. Sketch. Set it to sketch view. Next, which one? Again I am going to design this shape. Again what is the first see here. Now see here. Now what is the diameter? Outer one is the 10R, inner one is the 5 holes. Total dia. 5 holes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the height? This height. Again see here. Now see here. Exactly this top end point. Exactly this top location to center point equal to 10. Now this top point to this circle center point is the 10. Okay. Now I am going to design one circle in this location. See here. Now diameter equal to how much?
20.
Diameter. This one is the 10R. 10R means
20.
20. 20 means again you can change. Again normal. See here. Select this point. See here. Select this point to. Okay, no problem. Already dimension will be taking place here. Again this one to this one. How much?
70 plus 33.
70 plus.
103 plus.
Okay, no problem. Just see here.
100.
Now see here. Just I am going to project this one.
103.
Just see here. Again I am going to project this one. Project. Select this one. Close. Okay. Then again I am going to select the normal. This point to this point. Okay. No problem. Just wait. Just you can design the center line. Again you can specify the what is the value, total value, this center point to this center point. Again this radius equal to how much?
43.
43. 33 plus 10.
10.
33 plus 10. Just changes to 43. Okay. Again I am going to design the lines here, straight connection. This point to this one. Again one more one. This one to this one. Then you can apply the delete segment. This one. Again outer one. Outer one. Again see just like not selected. Okay. Again we can delete this one also. Okay. Again you can design one more circle. Now radius equal to
12.
diameter equal to 12. Just okay. Again how much extrude?
Extrude 10.
Now extrude to reverse direction, value 10 value. Just okay. Then again next you can design which one? Now I am going to design one rectangle. Again apply the remove material. How much? Material remove equal to how much?
20.
4. Again see here 4 value. Now how to select this one? Again you can create the plane here, datum plane. Again the reference must and should be with respect to this face, this top face. Must and should select the create a plane with respect to this one. What is the value total? Or otherwise you can create the tangent plane also. Now see here, cancel. Now I am going to create the tangents. Select the plane, this one, set it to tangent. Okay, perpendicular with 2. Again press the control. Just wait. Okay. Again selection is okay. Okay. Again see here, activation is not possible. Again I am going to press select this one. What happened? Again you can select this one. Okay. Tangent and normal. Again select the sketch, set it to sketch view. Again I am going to design one rectangle. What is the sizes? That is 26. Next one. This side is the 28. That is the 28 value. Just wait. Again ఇక్కడ represent చేస్తుంటారు 28 value. Again 28, not 28, this one. This one is the 26. Again this total is the okay 28 value. Now see here, just I am going to change this one 28. This is changes to 26 means 13. 28 means this is the 14. Okay. Again just okay. Again apply the remove material up to extrude.
4.
Reverse direction, material changes to 4. Remove material. Okay. Again I am going to create one through hole. Directly select the sketch, this one, set it to sketch view. Directly you can design one hole. How much? Dimension? 12. Okay, 12 now.
And 5 holes same time.
Okay.
Okay,
This is the another hole. Again, okay, the dimension is not present here. We can choose anyone. Okay, mention cheyala correct. Okay, again you can choose the 12. Just okay. Apply the extrude, reverse direction, specify the through hole, material remove. Okay. Okay now. This one is okay. Next one. Again, how to design the next one? How to design next one? Come on. Activate this reference. Now the rectangle start from this edge onwards. Directly you can design one rectangle in this format. Again how much? Height equal to?
14.
Height equal to 14 and length equal to 48. And again that is the symmetrical location. 14. Again this is the 48. 48 means this one equal to how much? Again no problem. Select this center to this one is the 24. Okay. Okay. Which one?
14 అనేది 7 గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ అవ్వాలి.
E7. No, just see here. So delete entire these 3 lines. Okay, again design. Okay, again you can delete this one also, again in this format. Okay, again how much? 48. Again this one 16. 14.
6.
Again this one changes to 6. Okay, then next one how much value?
Extrude వచ్చేసి
Extrude equal to how much? Now see, total is the 130. 104 plus 28. 104 plus 28. 132. Again 132 of
66.
132 of 66. Again you can subtract 66 minus 33. 33. So you can mention 33 value. Same thing, mirror. Okay, first you can done the round operation. Now select the round. Select this one. Value changes to 14. Again same thing, you can press the control. Select this one. Just okay. Then you can select extrude and round.
ఇంకా సర్కిల్స్ వచ్చేసి
No, okay, sorry. Sketch. Select this one. Again I am going to design the
2 circles.
circles. Just activate the center reference. What is the circle location exactly? Okay, again you can directly use the concentric. Select this one. Directly this is arc is nothing but 14 radius. Again how much? Again same thing, select this one also. How much radius value?
Radius 12.
5. Sorry, 12. Okay. Okay, again apply the extrude, reverse direction, remove material. Okay, now entire design is okay. Then next one,
Extrude 6.
select extrude 5 first, round and extrude 6. All the operations. Mirror,
Plane.
select this one.
Okay.
Complete. That is the design. Okay, so you can design entire examples, entire book.